Welcome to the lecture on the systemic mindset, the key to systems thinking. If you're here, it means you're interested in exploring a different way of thinking and approaching problems in the world. Today, we're going to delve into the world of the systemic mindset and see how it can change the way we see the world and solve problems. Definition of the systemic mindset. To start, let's define what we mean by the systemic mindset. Simply put, it's a way of thinking that considers the relationships and interconnections between things, rather than just focusing on the individual components. This mindset recognizes that everything is connected and that solutions to problems must take into account these connections and relationships. Characteristics of the systemic mindset. So what does a person with a systemic mindset look like? Well, they tend to have values and attitudes that support systems thinking, such as an openness to different perspectives, a holistic view of problems, and a focus on interdisciplinary collaboration. These characteristics help to create a more integrated and effective approach to problem solving. Development of the systemic mindset. So how do we develop this mindset? It starts with education and training, but it also involves personal reflection and a willingness to challenge our own assumptions. For example, you can take time to understand the connections between different elements in a system and actively seek out diverse perspectives to broaden your understanding. Application of the systemic mindset. The great news is that the systemic mindset can be applied in a variety of situations, from personal to professional. For example, in a professional setting, a systemic mindset can lead to more effective decision-making and problem-solving by taking into account the interconnected relationships between elements in a system. In personal life, it can help you see the connections between different aspects of your life and develop a more holistic and integrated approach to personal growth and well-being. The importance of the systemic mindset. Finally, let's talk about why the systemic mindset is so important. Simply put, it leads to more effective problem-solving and decision-making. By considering the interconnected relationships between things, we can develop more comprehensive and sustainable solutions to complex problems. It also supports interdisciplinary collaboration, which can lead to more innovative and effective solutions. The systemic mindset offers us a new way of thinking and approaching problems in the world. By developing this mindset, we can improve the quality of our decision-making and problem-solving, promote interdisciplinary collaboration, and create more holistic and integrated solutions. So let's embrace the systemic mindset and see where it takes us. Thank you for joining me today